standing here in India's one of its kind and India's first standalone 30 megawatt alkaline electrolyzer assembly line for Advait Greenergy Private Limited. What you are seeing is not only the facility, but it is the dedication of Advait Group to build a local supply chain and local manufacturing for alkaline electrolyzer. This is what we are following as a phase-wise strategic planning for Advait Group. This is just beginning as a phase 1 for 30 megawatt, and we are firm at our side to follow our next 2 phases of expansion for 100 megawatt and 300 megawatt respectively in next 2 years. This 30 megawatt facility is having 2 dedicated processes that we are following. First of all, the alkaline electrolyzer assembly and a BOP fabrication. So alkaline electrolyzer starting from 250 kilowatt to 5 megawatt capacity we are assembling here, and BOP fabrication subsequently up to 20 megawatt of modules we can manufacture and fabricate here.